Hello guys, we have got iPhone X here today which has got this weird problem. It came from one of our dealers. So they tried different screens, but initially they thought that maybe the screen is faulty. But non-good screens, even non-good screens, you will see. Oh, so it's oh yeah, no, because it was not fully charged. Do you see? So yeah, you can see. See Apple logo, this flickering here. So by looking at it, I can show you maybe here as well, so that it must be, yeah. Here you can see. Yeah. See, this is what is happening. So Apple logo flickers here when it turns on. This is what is happening. So what could be the problem? So first thing that came into my mind is check the display connectors. So we will open the board view here. Okay, so open the board view. Where is it? Where is it? Here. Zhuangji is little bit was slow in the morning today, but it's working fine now. So am I on the right? Yep. Okay. So let's go. Where is iPhones here? And then iPhone X. And mostly phones in New Zealand, they are Qualcomm. So let's look here, which are the display connectors, which is J5700. These are the display connectors. So what I'm gonna do is put you guys here, take this out, and where are the fuses. So I will remove the battery connectors, Face ID. So these are touch connectors here. So first I would like to have a look in the microscope if I see anything while they repairing, anything which is J5700, which are the display connectors. If I find out anything, let's make it little bit bigger here, and okay, yeah, that's better. And then they are J5700, so that's all look okay to me. Anything you can find anything wrong? So the next thing we have to do is to remove this protective anti-static adhesive from here. So I will remove, put it here, and then oh come on, I might not need to remove the board at this stage. So, and then maybe I can hold it from here. How about if I might not find something wrong? Let's because I have to check. Without removing this, I can check, because the next thing I will be doing is to check the LCD connectors in the diode mode. So I don't need to, remove, because we don't know. Maybe there's nothing wrong here. So put it here. here, 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 here. Okay, and then maybe put this thing here. So I'm gonna put it in diode mode. Come on, diode mode. Yep, as you can see, and then so the next thing is, see, these are the connectors we will be checking. Let's start from here. So diode mode reading is 320. So I'm gonna leave from here and I will keep letting you know, because this I will bring you here. So okay, so the first one from the bottom is 320. Okay. I'll give it to you for the price of the ECM. Okay, that's all good. And the next one is again 320. Yep, that's all good. That is ignorable, that much. And the next one is open line. Open line, and then the next one is again 320, 320, one open line, and then 320, 320. So that's right, 320, 320, and then open line. Yep, and then 320. Come on. This is open line. 320, 320, and then again open line, again open line, again open line, and then we have got again open line and 720, that's right, and then open line. Yep, and then 340, 340, and then the next one is 680 and 210. So 680, is it 680? 340, 680, and then 210. Whop. See guys, so this line we have got open line, where is it should be diode mode reading is 210. So this is the one here. Let's check it again. So this should read 210, whereas it's reading open line. So let's check, come back here and check what sort of line it is. So okay, this is PP 1.8 display connection. So if we are not getting 1.8 here, which is connected to C5780, and then this is the display side, FPC side filter, and then this is the board side filter, which is so let's check. First of all, we have to remove that. Now we know one of the line, which is 1.8 display line, is I think this is 1.8 underscore IO line. So we have got open line there. So we have to check. For that, we have to remove that protective plastic that is there on the FPC connector, and then we'll check the capacitor in the line and the filter in the line, which is if we come here, which is, come on, where are you? Okay, so come on, man. Okay, so we have got display connection J5700, and we have to check C5781, and then filter, which is, what filter is it? Come on, FL5780. So first of all, let's go back here, and now we will remove, because I don't honestly removing any of the components or any adhesive unless or until we really need it. But we know that we have got an open line, so can you see? So maybe I can show you here. Yeah, okay. So there you go. That's all look clean. Okay, so oh sorry. So guys, this is the line what we are talking about. Oh come on man, come here. Okay, so this is PP 1.8 underscore display underscore connection line, which is this one here, which we are getting open line, this one. So what I'm gonna do is to remove that adhesive from there. So that I can check. Okay, so okay, there you go. So what I'm doing is this cap here, and then this filter here. Okay, so is it pretty okay? I think yeah, that's all good. Okay. This is good, all looks clean. Okay, there you go. Okay, now the next thing I will be looking is in continuity mode. First of all, you can see there, right? Yep. So this is what we are at. That's right, it should not beep. Let's check here. Yep, all good. And then the next thing is we should get a beep from here to the other end, which we are not getting anything. Let's look here now. So that filter is faulty. So guys, it looks like that is the filter which is FL5780. It's faulty, and that's why we are having, because that is 1.8 line for the display. If you are not getting enough power for a display, so most probably it's not gonna, either we're not gonna get any display, or maybe the sort of display, flickering display we see there. So guys, the next thing I will be doing is using the hot tweezers, which is like this. So this is JPC newer micro soldering station. So maybe you can see, I will show you something here. So okay, so I have got a pedal here. It's like a sewing machine pedal. So it's a pretty good, see this one here. So what it actually does, you know, when I'm using the tweezer in a very tight area where I have to remove surface mount component. So you know, tweezers, when as soon as you pick it up, they will heat up. So, and you might touch the any plastic thingy or any other component which you can break. But this pedal with JBC stations is actually you can press it down with your feet, or maybe with your, while you are using it, feet is okay, you know. So it will go in hibernation. So as soon as you remove your feet and you put the tweezer there where it's needed, that is where you remove your feet and it start heating up. So I will show you here now. So okay, let's bring a little bit more closer. Yeah, okay. So what I'm gonna do is, see, put a little bit of flux here, and then I will move it around so that I can. Okay, let's go a little bit. Well, can you see, right? Yeah, okay, right. So now I'm picking up my tweezer, okay, and then now I put the feet on the tweezer, oh sorry, on the pedal. So they are not, they went into hibernation. So they are in hibernation, they are not hot. So I put them here, see, they are not even hot, so then they're not gonna do anything. So I will just hold it here and then I leave the pedal. That is where they start, you see. Now no damage to the board and they came out like this. Easy, huh? Okay, anyway, so I will put that filter somewhere here. Okay. So next thing I will be doing is I will tint with the low melt. Okay, so this is a little bit low melt. So I will get it on the tip. Okay, little bit here on the tip here, little bit here on the tip here. Can you see? Yep, that's enough. So now I'm gonna get the new filter, which is here. Come on, can I see? Where is it? Here. Now I'm gonna put it here. And put maybe a little bit more flux. Now these hot tweezers, you know, if they are hot, it's very hard to hold them, but I'm gonna do the same thing again. So I push the pedal. Oh, come on, pedal. Okay, now they are in hibernation. That means I can hold this easily here. Come on, come on, come on. So hibernation, there you can set the hibernation mode on this, which is I think around $90 by default. And then I'm just gonna hold it here and oh, come on, man, don't give me a hard time. Oh, they are still in hibernation, so I have to release my. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So, and there you go, all done. It's little bit that way, but should be okay. So the next thing we have to check if we have got the right diode mode reading here. Okay, before we measure it, let's give it a clean. Okay. Come on. Okay, looks better. Clean. Okay. Okay, now it's clean. Let's check the diode mode reading on the pin number 1, which is display line. Okay, it's reading perfectly right with me. Maybe I can show you where. Maybe here. Oh yeah, I can show you here. Yeah. Is it good? Or maybe here. Yeah. Let's move here. Yeah, yeah. Now you can see. And that's the first pin we're talking about. Okay, so this is the one, and we got what? Yeah. So now let's put this back together and see how it goes. So put the screen back. Okay. If this was a problem, this should have been fixed now. Okay, so okay. So we will leave this face ID at this stage. Okay, man. Come on, turn off. Is it charging? Oh no, it's not charging. So why it's not charging? Okay, push this hard. Battery. Okay. Come on. Yep. So it's showing touch ID. So that's all good. So guys, definitely problem been resolved. So next time if you are having this sort of problem, you replaced good known battery, check FL, what was the filter? So that was FL5780 and that was PP1.8 underscore display connection line. So it's all been sorted. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Okay, here.